The Brevard County Probate Court, an overview. Hi, I'm Darren Findling of the Probate Pro, and we're going to cover the ins and outs of the Brevard County Probate Court. Let's get right at it. The Brevard County Probate Court is located at 400 South Street in Titusville, Florida, of course in Brevard County. As you can see from the map, it's centrally located, and from the photo, it's a prominent court-looking like building. Plenty of parking around the building. With any courthouse, we strongly urge you to leave early. Give yourself plenty of time to get to the courthouse, to give yourself a chance to park, make your way through security, find your courtroom. Because we understand that probate-related issues are often stress-filled and filled with a lot of emotion. So give yourself a chance to breathe. The Brevard County Probate Court is, of course, a secured facility, and most people know what you can and cannot bring into a courthouse. But sometimes there are things that may not be so known or understood. For example, those aerosol sprays in the form of breath or body odor sprays are prohibited, as well as any outside food or alcohol. Flammable items like matches as well as lighters are prohibited, as well as any recording devices. One thing that often trips people up are those little nail clippers or Swiss Army knives that are attached to people's keychains. So make sure you check your pockets, check your purse before leaving your car, because it's awfully frustrating getting to security only to learn that you have to turn back and put those items away. The Brevard County Probate Court, of course, handles probate-related issues, including deceased probate estates, trust, and guardianship-related issues, as well as mental health and substance abuse-related affairs. The County of Brevard is fortunate to have very experienced probate judges serving on behalf of the county. The Brevard County Probate Court maintains a rich and robust website to give you really relevant information that can help you from the comfort of your home without the necessity of going to the courthouse. You can see from the red arrow, brevardclerk.us is the home page. In yellow, I've highlighted the public records search, which is a really valuable tool to look up docket information. In addition, within the website are court forms and frequently asked questions. Let's work our way through the website looking up a public records search. Here I've clicked that link and it takes me to another case search page. It's a little clunky here, all the pages that it makes you go through before you can actually type in the search parameters. Here I've gone to the BECA General Public Records Search, where I've highlighted in the yellow arrow. From there it takes you to another page where you have to accept the conditions, the disclaimer relating to the use of this particular application for records. From there, another window that takes you to the general public search. Again, a lot of windows simply to get you to this page, which is the search parameter page. This page allows you to type in an individual's name, as well as identify which court. In this case, I chose the probate court and hit the search window, or the search button. I typed in John Doe just as a generic name to show you that you can search under a variety of parameters, including dates of birth, as well as case filing dates. In addition, it also shows any wills that have been filed for safekeeping during those various years. Really helpful tool here. The website also has a probate and guardianship frequently asked question page that gives you the basic 101s about what a guardianship is, what a probate estate is, as well as the links for various probate related issues, including the guardianship forms and probate related forms if you want to fill them out in advance. Here I've taken you to the guardianship forms. And one of the nice things about these forms in the form of a PDF is it allows you to look at the form, gather all the important information that you wouldn't necessarily have at your fingertips, dates of birth, social security numbers, things like that. So you can study the form, fill them out well before you get to the probate court. The filing fees relating to opening a deceased probate estate as well as a guardianship file are listed here. To understand the full extent of the filing fees and legal expenses involved in your probate-related matter, we strongly encourage you to speak to your probate lawyer or the probate court, because we understand that this is just the initial filing fee and there could be expenses throughout the probate process, including legal expenses if you decide to hire a lawyer. Brevard County in the state of Florida maintains statistics in relation to the filings and dispositions of various matters occurring within the probate court. As you can see from this particular graph, from fiscal year 2009 through fiscal year 2019, a steady growth in the number of filings as represented by the deep blue line and dispositions as represented by the magenta color from fiscal year 2009 to fiscal year 2019. The yellow band on the far right shows that about 133,000 filings occurred statewide relating to probate matters and 128,000 dispositions. It's a tremendous number of filings, and it has grown over the last 10 years. This graph shows that for probate-related files statewide, it represents about 59,940 trusts and guardianships a little less than 8,000. This pie graph shows that 49.2% of all the filings represent probate. Commitment Act, substance abuse related issues are 44%, and guardianships a little less than 6%. This graph is really a myth buster in that most people think that many matters involving the court go to trial in front of a jury because people are used to watching dramatic trials on television or in the movies, when in fact 43.6% of the probate-related matters are disposed of before a court hearing, 46.7% disposed of by the judge and no trial, and a little less than 4% are disposed of by a non-jury bench or judge trial. So really very few proceed in that manner to a trial. This graph shows specifically relating to Brevard County. As you can see, in fiscal year 2019, the filings were 2,313 probate files, 42 trust files, 943 commitment acts, and 284 guardianships, a total of 3,582 filings. So what can we discern from these graphs and this one in particular? The probate court is filled with a lot of matters. It's a busy courthouse. We strongly urge you to hire a good, competent, skilled probate practitioner to guide you through the process so that the probate court understands your particular set of circumstances. At the Probate Pro, we're passionate about probate-related issues. If you have questions about the Brevard County Probate Court or any probate-related issue, visit us at theprobatepro.com or call us at 1-833-PROBATE.